Down by 4. Ball up by Segi. Back set. Haleko.
Oh!
Blocked by Mark Calado.
Grabe yung reach na yun ni Calado on the block. Like, ang layo natin. Pero kitang-kita ako kung paano niya na-penetrate yung block na yun.
1-on-1. There you go.
Yeah.
It's now 12-8. Calado as a target. He will hit. And that's going to go to our patron section. Here we
But
go,
again,
Panay.
quick side out from the side of Savor. Yan yung ginawa nila nung second set na kaya pag ang baba ng daan ng bola mo, ang laki nung chance na mabublock ka.
Mark Calado, though, continues to respond. He's owning this moment now for Savage. It's been a nice stretch for Buboy. In set 3, CJ Segi. Austria first ball, and Narciso opens up. Calado muli!
Nahihirapan itong defense ng VN.